a 10-minute hairstyle a while back, and this video got over 1 million views. This is the hairstyle, a very simple hairstyle. I did not plan this hairstyle when I made it. It just happened because I was running late and I just had to like put my hair in order because it was really rough. And today I'll be showing you how I came about that hairstyle. I know rubber band warriors will attack me, but there was no hair on the rubber band, as you can see. Anyways, the first thing you have to do is to keep your hair hydrated and moisturized. So the first thing I did was to first spray my hair with water, and then after that, as you can see, I have 4 sessions on my hair at this back. Each of these sessions will be divided into 2. So I'm using my cotton comb and I'm using a leave-in conditioner. So you hydrate, you go in your leave-in conditioner, then you go ahead to detangle the hair. It is very important. But I decided to part mine first. My hair is really thick, so I love to like detangle in smaller sessions. That way I'm able to get the knot away from the hair and I will not miss any part. But if it's too big, it's harder to detangle. So I made use of the white tooth comb to detangle the hair. Depending on the size of your hair, use the comb that is befitting for it. Okay, white tooth comb. Then after the white tooth comb, I went in with a brush just to smoothen it, right? Then we're going to be twisting from the root. We're not going to braid from the root. You can decide to braid from the root, it is fine, okay? But this is not a serious hairstyle again. This is just a particular hairstyle I took for like that day or like a week. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So you want to twist from the root to the tip, okay? So again, it's your choice if you want to braid from the roots. If you want to carry your hairstyle for a longer period of time, that's fine. The twisting technique is do not make the body too tight, do not make it too loose. I'm going to show you guys at the end of the day how tight this one even looks like. You can decide to make your own this tight, as you can see, or you can decide to make it looser. I'm going to lose it and then redo it for how loose I want it to be. The looser the twist, the bouncier it looks. I don't know if you get my point, especially if you're somebody with a very tight textured hair like 4C, 4B, 4A. This hairstyle would really bounce. Yes, if you have a looser texture or looser curl pattern, that can also work for you. You might need to make use of some products to give you that bounce, but definitely it can still work. If you look here, my twist here is looser, and by the time I drop it, you're going to see the difference between this first one and the second one, and you'll see why I said I wanted it looser. Can you see the difference? It might look just a little different, but come on, this second one is bouncier, like it's just juicier. So I took down the first one and then I had to like balance it up with the second one. Note that the size of the hair that I cut for each of them were different, and so that was the reason why the twist size came out differently. The second one was bigger in size than the first one I initially did because the nape area of my hair has really thinner strands. I don't know how to explain that, scantier strands. So I did the rest off camera. By now you should have gotten the hang of how to do the twist from the root to the tip, but a very loose twist. Now this front part is just very simple. Since again my hair was already in cornrows, which I took down, I already had each part. So what I did was to roll it according to the movement of the hair. Roll backwards and hold at the back, roll backwards and then hold it at the back. But if you don't have your hair already parted, you can decide to comb out your hair here, right, and pack it at that top. It doesn't have to be this way. I did not want to lose the lines of the hair when I came up with this hairstyle, so that was the reason why I decided to just fold the hair and for it to give me this bumpy feel at the top. So that was the reason why I left it this way. But you don't have to fold your hair like this because this hair is like that. So you can just divide yours into 2, use gel to slip down. But this back is also the main character. What you do at this back is to roll it, make a bun with the hair. It could be a rough bun. You can just style it differently however you choose. And then mine, I just rolled it together the way the twist was. That was what I did. Again, this was a very fast hairstyle. I just did not know it was going to blow up and people will request for it. In the video, I used about 4 beads to layer it, but for the sake of this video, I'll just be making use of 2 beads. Note that the more beads you use, the more the hairstyle will drop. So these beads I'm using are not heavy at all. They are very light wooden beads, and they were not adding so much weight at all to the hair. If you look in the video, which I'm going to put here, you're going to see that the hair had weight. It dropped a bit down. This bead also weighed the hair down, but not as the original video there where I made that one, and that was because I used about maybe 4 beads. Yes, I'm currently not seeing the video right now, so permit me. I used about 4 beads or 5 beads to layer it so that it can drop down. I did that because it wasn't the entire hair I was adding beads to, so I could actually work with the weight, and there are some beads that are actually heavier than some. So layer it however you want it to drop, that's fine. This one thing with this loose twist is that if it drops down well, it looks like really fine, prettier than when it just bounces up for me. And you guys know I'm a bead babe, so I can't do without beads. Anyways, this is how to do it. What I did last was just to add a small bead at the tip, then roll my hair around it. If you know your hair is not long enough to roll at the tip, or you think that your hair easily loosen up because of the texture, I would advise you get this very small tiny black rubber band that people used to lock in bead designs whenever they add beads. I use it a lot in all of my videos. In fact, the next video you'll be seeing, I also made use of it. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to style this hair completely. So I'm going to take out these beads and complete the hairstyle. I made this hairstyle for people who have been making requests to see how I made this hairstyle. So it is this simple, it is this easy. I'm going to be taking it down immediately I'm done with this. So that is that about this very simple hairstyle. Thank you so much for staying around. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you just watched and you've not subscribed, you can check out my other videos. If you successfully made this hairstyle, please post this in the community. I would love to see it. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye guys.